Welcome back to the channel, Peter Flanagan here, and today unboxing the M1 Mac Mini 2020 version. That is the latest in the Mac Mini range with the brand new Apple M1 chip. Apparently they say it takes it to the most versatile do-it-all desktop into another dimension. They say with 3 times faster CPU performance and up to 6 times faster graphics. So the new Apple M1 chip basically contains everything. So let's unbox. And straight away you can see how compact this is. So it's known as bring your own because obviously it doesn't come with a screen, doesn't come with a keyboard or mouse, so they're all optional extras, which extras that you need. But at the back you can see all of the connections. So we've got 2 USB-A connections, got the headphone jack, we've got HDMI, we have Thunderbolt, or what they're now calling USB 4, and also Ethernet and power connection as well. And one thing that I do like to see is the big fan underneath as well. So let's connect it up. I'm going to connect it to the screen that I already have, and we're going to power it up. So all the usual steps, of course, to set up a new Apple device. And there we are. Easy as that. I connected the Bluetooth keyboard and Bluetooth mouse as well. So there'll be more videos on this. I'll be testing this with video editing, with recording music, and well, you've seen this video, so the video editing has worked. But straight away, as soon as I switched it on, there is no noise. Like there's no mad fan noise that you'd hear with a MacBook. So far, so good. But stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and click the bell for notifications.